Hello, everyone. This is Asa Leveaux, America's leading clarity coach. I have decided to provide you all with a tutorial. Why do I want to provide you with a tutorial? Well, in my work, I help aspiring entrepreneurs, and there are a lot of times where aspiring entrepreneurs I really just don't know that their graphics don't have to suck. Literally, that's why I'm doing this. They don't realize that their graphics don't have to suck, and they're using something very, very outdated. So even though I know that there are people who are marvelous at doing things like using PowerPoint for graphics, I'm here to tell you that you don't have to do that. So if you are on, please let me know, first off, that you hear me and that you hear me well, and also where you're from. I would definitely like to know that before I begin. So I see Cabrini's on, Cherry's on, Pete's on, Kiva's on, Roy is on. All you have to do is just say hello back so that I know that you can hear me and hear me well before I start. It would be really crazy to start this. And all right, cool. So Kiva's from Tampa. Glad that you are here. And so so first off, if you are, hi Cabrini from Los Angeles. So if you are somebody who's never heard of Canva ever in life, I'm here to tell you that this is something that's free that you can utilize to your benefit. And so if you never wanted to do something like a graphic for your company, if you ever wanted to make a logo, if you ever wanted to make a cover for like a book, so you have an ebook coming out, you can do that. If you ever wanted to create a document, a well-done document, this can also help you do that in a better way. So if you are doing this with me, go to www.canva.com, canva.com. I understand that I'm probably highly likely that I'm going to piss a few people off because people get paid to, do graphic design. However, I know as a beginning entrepreneur and an entrepreneur I am now, if I can stop paying for something, I will stop paying for something. And that's why I choose to use something like Canva. So here we go. Canva. Go to www.canva.com. You can sign up with Facebook, with Google, or sign with an email. I have something already, so I'm just going to put my information in and log in. Hopefully I remember my password, and I don't. So let me try that again. All right, there we go. All right, so as you can see, I use Canva a lot. Even if I want to create circles around my face, I'm able to do just that. Now, I'm going back and forth from canva.com to the Facebook Live. So if you have a question, feel free at any time to ask a question. Yeah. So that's all that needs to happen. All right. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get acquainted to what types of things we can do. So at the very top, you can see all the different elements or options that you have. So if you want to do something, a social media post, for Instagram, we have squares on Instagram. So that's how you can use that for YouTube channel art, posters. If you have a blog and you want to get really good imagery, so you have your blog, you have flyers, letterhead, like that's important to have your brand go to letterhead. Postcards that you want to fill out, or postcards that you want to implement into your marketing tactic or what have you. Facebook things such as posts, Facebook things such as ads, those are on here. Twitter, If you want to get your banner, so if you want to know how to get your banner done on Facebook and on Twitter and on LinkedIn, like how are people having such well done banners? Those aren't always done by somebody else. You see that we have documents, letters, presentations, again, letterhead, magazine covers, resume. One thing about the magazine cover, I will say, I've used magazine covers to actually make really wonderful looking marketing material. So now you have ebooks and blogging down here, even a CD cover. So if you're an artist, this would be a great place for you to come to do your CD cover. You have more marketing material like gift certificates, logo. The logo is right here. That's a big one. And then other thing, you have email headers. If you have an Etsy store, there you can have graphics for your Etsy shop. And like I told you, LinkedIn banner, Twitter banner, Twitch banner, SoundCloud banner, all of that. And if you do ads, so let's say you want something on a website, you want something, skinny, you have this wide skyscraper ad, a Facebook ad, what have you. So those are the different things that you can do with Canva. But also, before we go further, if you think that there is someone that would benefit from this tutorial, please tag them or share this, because I'm sure there are people that don't even know that Canva exists and that it's a free tool for the most part. Now, there's some paid things that you can do with it, but Canva is real. So the very first thing that I'm going to show you what to do, or show you how to do, let's just make one. Let's make a logo. A lot of times I see on social media that people want to do logos. Now, here's the issue. When I go to a page, it no longer allows me to do that. All right, so because of the way Facebook Live is, it won't allow me to do a different tab. So I have you open on one tab and it'll only allow me to do that one. So this is going to be the overview. If you would like for me to do something specific, like how to create a logo in Canva, or how to create an ebook in Canva, or what have you, let me know and I can do another live just for that particular thing. So the question I'm receiving is Canva an app? So Canva has an app function to it. It really does. And you can definitely take advantage of that, but this is also a website. So you can do some editing and create a really good image via your phone. But I will say, I would prefer doing it on the desktop. I would definitely prefer that, okay? So since I'm not able to do more with the tab that I'm currently in, what I will do is, I'll just start over. I'll totally start over. But what I will do is I will do the tutorial in the group. And so the group is the Genius Academy. So I believe that, let me see if that link still works. 1 second. Geniuscafe.co. All right, so look, I need you to go through the search and go through the Genius Academy Cafe. And I just typed it in. So go there, go find that group, and when you find that group, just request it and let me know which training you want, and I will provide that for you. But yes, this is a really great tool that you should actually implement so that you don't have raggedy graphics, and so you're not just feeling frustrated by making sure that your brand is in alignment with what you want. And so people can actually share your stuff. A lot of times you want people to share your graphics or share your post and it has an image in it. And I and others are not willing to do it because it looks really raggedy and it looks really trifling and ratchet. So if you have better images, then people would more be willing to share things. All right, so I'll wait a little bit while to see if anyone has a question. And remember to join the group and to request what training that you desire. I'm not seeing any questions. So with that being said, I'll wait to get your request in the group. And as always, I'm Asa Leveaux, dreams and blessings.